Design is a true reflection of who we are and of the human experience. I am Jean Lin. I am a gallerist, the founder of Colony, a designer, and an author. We are on Franklin Street. This is a triplex. The apartment got renovated by the interior architect, Bernheimer Architecture, and they brought me in to reimagine the interiors. I can't wait to show it to you, so come follow me. So on the main floor, we have an open kitchen, a dining room, and then a living area that's divided into a living room and kind of a sitting area. The first thing that we did was define how they use each section of the space. And it really did make sense to break it up into a cozier living area where the kids could watch TV, their friends could all sort of pile on the sofa and watch TV, and then a more formal sitting area that represented the adult side of the room. This daybed was a key piece to bridge the two sides of the room together. It's also one of our designers that I represent at the gallery. You can see that we have this beautiful autumnal color palette. The rust color rug defines the space from the other parts of the room. We have a marble table that was previously owned by the client with these fuzzy green chairs upholstered in Zac and Fox fabric that we love. It feels very elevated, but also very cozy as well. The main floor is really large. You can see these south-facing windows are beautiful. It's an entire wall of windows. But the shape of it is just a little bit tricky to find exactly the right spot to put the dining room. We ended up in here with this trapezoidal space, and the next challenge was what shape dining table. And we ended on this oval shape, and we couldn't be happier. The lighting in the dining room is an opportunity to showcase a design element that you love. And Beck Britton is the contemporary lighting designer of independent American design. This house is filled with youth, contemporary work, and also looking towards the future. When we're designing a home, the primary bedroom is meant to be a sanctuary, somewhere where our clients can come, relax, feel serene. Some of the elements in here are these custom bedside tables by an independent designer named Stephen Bukowski. He also did this bench. And then the lighting is also by Beck Britton. So everything in here is meant to be bright, meant to be light, meant to be calming. The only thing in here that is of any color is this bench, and it was actually inspired by this painting by Lili Sobieski, who used to be an actress and is now a very renowned painter. Another great thing about the location of this loft is that it is right around the corner from my gallery. Come on. This is my gallery, Colony. We've been here for 10 years. And we represent independent American designers. I love working with independent designers, both here at the gallery and also in interiors projects like you just saw. They bring so much warmth, so much integrity, and such a rich narrative into any interior. Championing this community is truly my life's work. This project was about giving a wonderful family their dream home within their dream loft. I am so honored to be able to share it with you.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.